Hi guys, if you got a wet, slippery, damp concrete like this, maybe on your patio, your driveway, your footpath around your house, even your decking, when it gets wet like this, it grows a lot of moss. See, there's moss and mould like that. And it can be very dangerous because it gets very slippery in winter when it's damp. So what we're talking to you today about is how do you get rid of this moss and mould and lichen that's on your footwell. So we have the product here called 30 Seconds Outdoor Cleaner. So all you really do is spray that on. If it's quite a really heavy infestation like the mould moss is here, you scrub it in with a scrubbing brush. You let it wait 30 odd seconds and then you clean it off with a pressure washer like this. You can, if it's not too bad, you can just use your garden hose, but if it is quite heavy, you'd have to use that. The other product we have is the 30 seconds one step spray and walk away. So that actually is, you can just put it on and leave it and let the weather do its trick, but I'd say that's more a maintenance one. This is the one you want to use if you've got a lot of moss and mould. This 30 seconds one here got around the wrong way. So really it's just about your safety, because these footpaths, when they're damp like this all the time, they are very slippery. So get in there, control it with a bit of 30 seconds cleaner, and then with the control it with that one.